Good day, students. Welcome to Nazvilla. Today we will discuss a poem of our syllabus of class 12. Poem number 1, My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. Now from the name you can know that Kamla Das has written this poem for her mother. The theme of the poem is feeling of separation from mother. Means Kamla Das को realize होता है that her mother is 66 years old now and she can lose her mother at any moment. Because of that she is in too much pain. She don't want to be separated. She also misses her childhood and compares it with. तो ये सारी feelings जो है हम discuss करने वाले हैं हमारे इस poem में. So let's get started. Now Kamla Das was born in Kerala in 1934. She is one of the most recognized and well-known poetess, known for her originality and versatility. मतलब वो हमेशा अलग अलग टॉपिक पर पोएम्स लिखती हैं. Now she is also known as a very sensitive writer because वो हमेशा ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप के कॉम्प्लेक्स सिचुएशन पर लिखती हैं. So the human relationship of our poem is mother and daughter relation. एग्जाम में थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन ज़रूर लिखना कमला दास का. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. कमला दास अपने पेरेंट्स के घर विजिट पर आई थी. Now she is going back. On Friday morning, they are driving to Cochin airport. They are in a car. उनकी मॉम भी उनके साथ हैं. अब यहाँ पर सिचुएशन चेंज होती है. I saw my mother beside me. Dozed means sleep. Open mouth. Her face ashen. Ashen means pale. Like that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. इन सेंटेंस का मतलब है सडनली वो अपनी मॉम को देखती हैं और वो रियलाइज करती हैं that her mother is asleep but her mouth is open. Her face is looking very pale. And at that moment she felt the pain and she realized कि my mom is getting so old now. And she doesn't have so many days left in her life. She can lose her mom at any moment of her time. That she thought away and looked out but soon put that thought away and looked out at young. जैसे ही वो पेन उन्हें रियलाइज होता है she couldn't accept that pain. वो उसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती and she wants that thought to taken away. So of course we will also want कि ये दिमाग में ये thought ना आए. So she just looks away from it outside the car. Looked out at young trees sprinting. Sprinting means running. Why the trees are running? Because the car is moving. And when we look out of the car, जब हम बाहर देखते हैं तो we see an image of the trees running backwards. It gives an image like this and that is why the trees are running. The married children spilling out their homes. Why spilling out? Because अब ग्लास में से पानी जब बाहर निकल जाता है तो उसे स्पिलिंग कहते हैं. That is why the married children spilling out of their homes. And the situation she sees is totally opposite than her mother. Her mother is pale. Her mother is not moving. She is looking like a corpse. She is dozed. She is motionless. And on the other hand, she looks at the young children who are playing and the trees which are moving, which are totally opposite of what her mother is. Her mother is not young now, she is very old. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale. Now what happens is after the situation that happened in the car, वो लोग airport पहुंच गए हैं. Now in the airport, after the security check, she is standing few डिस्टेंस अवे फ्रॉम हर मदर. अपनी मॉम से थोड़े ही दूर खड़ी होकर वो अपनी मॉम को देख रही है फिर से. एंड अगेन शी लुक्स एट हर. शी इज़ वैन. WAN मीन्स कलरलेस एंड पेल एज अ लेट विंटर मून एंड फेल्ट दैट ओल्ड. नाउ हियर शी इज़ कंपेयरिंग हर मदर विथ अ लेट विंटर मून. वाई विंटर मून? बिकॉज विंटर जो होता है उसमें मून बहुत ही धुंधला होता है. You cannot see it clearly. It is very faded. Familiar ache, my childhood fear. Now this fear which I have talked about in the beginning, जब हम छोटे होते हैं, we cannot live without our mother. We want our mother everywhere that we go. Okay, we don't want to be separated from our mother. If somebody even takes us from our mother, we start crying. So the same feeling which she used to have in her childhood, वो feeling उसे वापस आ जाती है. But all I said was see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile, smile and smile. Now smile is repeated 3 times. It is very important because there is a question. It says that what does smile represents. वो नहीं चाहती कि उसकी मॉम को पता चले दैट शी इज़ अपसेट, तो उसको छुपाने के लिए शी इज़ स्माइलिंग. एंड वाई अगेन शी इज़ रिटन स्माइल इज दैट शी हैज़ अ होप that when she will come back to her parents' house again, she will be able to see her mother again. Like she said, see you soon, Amma. Because she has a hope that maybe she will come back and she will have more time with her mother. So now this poem gives you a thought about how to value people, especially your parents, your family, which is always together with you. हमारे परिवार हमेशा हमारे साथ होता है, हमें सपोर्ट करता है. That is why it is very important that we should value them and to tell the people who are around us that we love them, we appreciate them. You have to value your studies also. The teachers who are making so much effort to make you learn and understand, so you should appreciate and be regular in doing your work. Now there are so many figures of speech in this poem, like some of the words repeated, so repetition, some of the alphabets repeated, so alliteration, and so many comparisons being done. It is simile and some metaphor. So this we will discuss in another video because we will not confuse ourselves with this speech right now. Now these are the notes of your lesson. This you have to copy down in your notebook. I will share this in our group also. After this you have to write down the question answers. I hope you liked it and you don't have any doubt in the lesson. If you have any, let me know, and see you in the next video of our lesson explanation. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe the channel and be updated to all the latest videos of Nazvila.